Good morning everyone, Zain with you, and today we'll show you how to fix PayPal "We stopped this payment to keep you safe" error. Thoroughly review your recent activity and wallet for any unfamiliar transactions or connected accounts. Log into your PayPal account directly and examine your transaction history for at least the past 30 days. Also check for any unconfirmed email addresses or phone numbers. This initial review helps identify potential causes for the security hold. Often, the next step involves identity verification to confirm you are the legitimate account holder. PayPal might prompt you to upload clear images of documents like a driver's license, passport, or a utility bill. Make sure these documents are current and clearly show your name, address, and date of birth. This process helps PayPal confirm your identity and ensure the payment is secure. It's a critical step in regaining full access. If the platform persists after verifying your identity and reviewing your account, contacting PayPal customer support is essential. Gather all relevant details about the blocked payment, including the exact transaction amount and the date it occurred. Explain clearly what steps you have already followed. A direct conversation with their support team often provides the specific guidance needed to resolve your unique situation quickly. They can offer tailored solutions to prevent future payment holds. Always keep your account information, including your email and phone number, current. Try to avoid making unusually large payments or sending money to brand new recipients without prior smaller interactions. Additionally, always conduct your PayPal transactions over a secure and private internet connection. These proactive steps significantly reduce the likelihood of your payments being flagged again, ensuring smoother experiences moving forward. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.